Law number 20. Do not commit to anyone. Drake has a reputation of being with a lot of famous women as an entertainer. His public relationships have added to a lot of his music and branding as an artist. In a 2009 interview with DJ Simtex, he revealed that he was linking up with Rihanna, and he has admitted to being in public relationships with women like Rihanna and Tyra Banks. He created this aura around him of being this emotional, sensitive ladies' man who uses his bravado and confidence to relate to females and males alike. In every Drake album and interview, he drops little hints about wanting to be in love and have someone significant, but at every turn he's always in media gossip, being spotted with another female. A lot of females want to be the one that gets Drake to commit, and songs like Controller, Marvin's Room, and Best I Ever Had give women this idea that Drake wants to be the man in their life, but it seems like it's more of a fantasy he's selling. Drake even go as far as not committing to a genre. He started off as a rapper, utilizing R&B and melody to appeal to females, but he has evolved to creating dancehall, pop, grime, and Afrobeat to blend genres together. People don't know what to expect from Drake's music due to his choice of not committing to one genre. Summary. Drake knows that the moment that he commits to one female, the aura that surrounds him and that adds to his success as a pop artist will flee him. Part of the allure of following an artist of the opposite sex is the chase, and when that is gone, so is the desire. He uses the tension that the other sex have for him to pull them into his world. Singing about wanting love have to feel authentic, or the buying public isn't going to feed into it. Drake is using this law very strategically to keep himself on the minds and the music players of women that feel like they could have Drake. Make sure to tune in next week Monday at 12 p.m. noon Eastern Time for another video on the laws of power.